tornado warning for western Oconee County in upstate South Carolina until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Walla Walla, or near Westminster, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Walhalla around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Long Creek and Mountain Rest. A brief, weak tornado is likely. Mobile homes could be flipped. Falling trees can cause death or serious injury and major damage to houses. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Oconee, South Carolina.